In this video, we'll be looking at recording actuals. This includes setting actual start and finish dates and marking the completion percentage of a task. Actuals describe what actually happens in the project, and in Microsoft Project you can record actuals on timings as well as costs. But firstly, before you start creating actuals, you need to set the project status date, and this date determines when those changes will be effective. And if you don't set this status date, then Microsoft Project will automatically use the current date. If I go into the Project tab and select Project Information, and in the Status field, I need to change the status date. So I'll select the 1st of August. Okay. Now to start recording the actual start and finish date of a task, I need to open up the Task Details form. And to do this, you need to go into the Task tab and click on the Details button in the Properties group. And this opens up the Task Details form. And here, this is when I can start making changes to each of the tasks. So for example, on Research on Venue, I can click on the actual and then put the actual start date and the finish date of that task. Currently it's the 26th of July, the actual start date was on the 28th, and the actual finish date was on the 28th as well. And then press OK. And I can start doing that to any of my tasks I have available in the Gantt chart view. Just to close that down. In addition, when creating actual start and finish dates, you can also determine whether your project is on track. For example, ordering a cake, in the Task tab up here, I can select whether the task is on track, or if it's 100% complete, I can choose a different percentage of completion here. Currently, the task is only 50% complete, and you can see this show up in the Gantt chart view here. This video gave you a little bit of information about how to start marking if your project's on track and creating actuals for your project.